Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepak Varshani, and in previous video we have unboxed Lenovo LP40 Pro earbuds. Now in this video we will see how to pair your earbuds with iPhone or Android phone. The method is same for both the device. So first of all, you have to open the charging case and remove the earbuds from charging case and keep it outside, or you can place it in your ears and then go to settings of your phone and Bluetooth, and it will search for your device, your earbuds. Here you can see Lenovo ThinkPlus LP40 Pro in the device list. So you click on it and you can see it is showing connected. So now you can use your earbuds and play anything on your phone. If you have any question or feedback, you can drop it in the comment box below. We will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.